Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. We've got a brand new affordable category fitness tracker in the house from Noise. It's their all new XFit 2 HRX edition. So this is like a newer and updated version of their already existing XFit and packs some pretty decent features at a very affordable price tag of only around 1999 rupees. Comes in this sort of box packaging. We have two color variants, grey color and black color. First we'll be checking out the grey one. So this fitness tracker packs a 1.69-inch TFT touchscreen. It's IP68 water resistant, has complete health related features on board and also has 60 sport mode activity tracking. And it sort of looks like a smartwatch. You'll get to see that in a moment. As soon as you unbox it, we've got some paperwork at the top side. Just make sure to read that. You also get some stickers from Noise, and there you go, our brand new affordable category fitness tracker from Noise. They're all new XFit 2 in grey color edition. Sort of looks like a smartwatch, right, with a squarish form factor display, but it's actually a fitness tracker, as I've told you. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And lastly, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging. And there you go, we've got both the color variants side by side, both of them unboxed and good to go. We've got the black edition on the right and grey on the left. And which one did you like? Let me know in the comment section. Now personally, I feel the black looks more appealing and with that sporty red and black vibe going on. So I kind of prefer this one. Anyways, let me just keep this aside and give you like a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. So as I've told you, XFit 2 is like a very affordable category fitness tracker. It's got like a squarish form factor display and the display size is 1.69-inch TFT LCD. Now bezels are definitely there. You'll get to see that once I power it on and show you. And build quality does look good. The body is entirely made of like polycarbonate material and there's only one button to the right side. That is it. There's nothing else over here. Going to the back side here, you've got some sensors and stuff for tracking your health related data, and you also have some charging contacts just above that. And not to forget, the fitness tracker is also full IP68 rated water resistant. Talking about the straps, as usual guys, Noise makes some pretty good quality straps over here. You've got like dual tone color finish, black on the exteriors, red on the inside, and looks pretty nice. It's got like a soft and durable feel, and good thing is they're also replaceable. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set them up and be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 5 to 6 days I've been using this fitness tracker, and I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are so many things I have to talk about, so make sure not to skip any part of this video. So during my testing, initial impression I actually got is this XFit 2 fitness tracker is like very similar to Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand smartwatch, guys. I mean, look at the design, the whole design and specifications, features, everything look like very identical. Only thing is you've got the HRX brand over here, and the strap has like a dual tone color finish and gives you that sporty sort of vibe. Anyways, moving on, let's first talk about the display. So as I've told you before, XFit 2 features a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display, and initially I was a bit skeptical because TFT panel hai na, I was like, kaisa hoga bhai display at this price point? But nothing like that. Display quality is actually pretty good. I mean, look at it guys, everything looks crisp and clear, text is easily readable, and all sort of content looks pretty good on this panel. Colors were also nice, and watch faces were looking quite attractive over here guys. Colors were nice, it was producing good and accurate colors, and viewing angles on the panel were also good. Talking about brightness was also quite good, decently bright enough, and I had no sorts of issues viewing the display even in bright outdoor situations. Only thing I felt is bezels on this smartwatch are a bit thick guys, I mean especially on the bottom and the sides, but hey, again, it's a very affordable category smartwatch, so you can't complain much. Anyways, moving on, this is how the home screen on it looks like, and coming to the home screen, here's the default watch face. So by default now from the factory you get around like 5 to 6 pre-installed watch faces, and you can easily switch between them like this. But not to worry, you can even download lots of cloud-based watch faces using Noise ColorFit app. So moving on, now let me give you like a closer look and show you the built-in apps and features, menu, system UI and all of that. So swiping down on the home screen gives you access to notifications panel. Here it shows you all your recently received notifications, SMSs or any sort of missed call notifications guys. Again, for this to work, you'll definitely need to be paired to your phone via Bluetooth and have to install Noise Fit app on your phone. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to status panel. Here it shows you the watch battery life, Bluetooth connectivity status, and also has a couple of quick access shortcuts like you got brightness adjustment, D&D mode is there, general settings, and these sort of stuff. And by swiping left or right on the home screen, you can quickly access the widgets present on this smartwatch. You've got like a couple of widgets. First one is your fitness activity panel. Here it shows you how many steps you've taken or distance travel, calories burned, basically your fitness activity for that particular day. And you can get the complete detailed analysis or summary on the smartwatch compatible app on your phone. Moving on, you've got your health related stuff like HR monitoring is there, stress level measurement is there, breathing exercise is also built in, and lastly you've got remote music player. So using this function you can control the music or any sort of songs being played on your smartphone. And that's it. These are all the available widgets on the home screen. Now suppose if you want to access the complete list of apps and features present on it, you can do that by simply pressing this button on the right side. Just press this crown over here and there you go, complete menu pops up. First of all, we've got Noise Health Suite, which includes a complete list of all health related features. So you've got your sleep data analysis, blood oxygen SpO2 is there, 24/7 HR monitoring, stress level measurement is also available. And moving on to the clock section, here you've got all your general stuff like, stopwatch, timer, world clock, alarms, and these sort of stuff. In the workout section, you can completely access all your sports and fitness related modes. So this particular fitness tracker supports almost like 60+ sport activity tracking, which include your regular walking, running, couple of different sports, and lots of stuff, guys. So you just need to click on that and the watch will start and measure lots of different stuff like how many steps you're taking, distance traveled, calories burnt, and also your 24/7 HR monitoring level as well. Now there is no GPS tracking over here. It can't give you geolocation data because it's a very affordable smartwatch, right? You can't even expect that. So you'll have to keep these things in mind. And also the app also doesn't support in-app GPS tracking. Moving on, you got your weather data analysis, remote music player is there, has a breathing exercises function built in, reminders is also built in, and flashlight, and lastly settings. And in the settings you can access some basic things, like power off, reset, and maybe reboot, and your general smartwatch related stuff. So that's it, guys, our complete overview on the built-in apps, UI, and also the menu of this smartwatch. So moving on, let me tell you about the health related features. As I've told you before, XFit 2 has all your basic necessities covered. You've got 24/7 HR monitoring available, blood oxygen SpO2 is also there, and sleep data analysis, breathing exercise, all of these are built in. And during my usage, I felt 24/7 HR monitoring and blood oxygen level, all of these were working well and giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. It does have wear detection also, so even in case you're not wearing the smartwatch right and you try to test the HR monitoring, it'll show you this message. Moving on, let me show you how you receive message and call notifications on this smartwatch. So for that, you'll definitely need to install NoiseFit app on your phone and pair it with the smartwatch and also enable some permissions. And after doing that, right, whenever you get a message on any sort of social media or maybe, SMSs, this is how you receive, guys. It shows you the name of the person sending and also the content of the message. But unfortunately, there is no option to reply to these SMSs through the smartwatch. And this is how you receive call notifications on this smartwatch. It shows you the name or number of the person calling and gives you a couple of options like you can either dismiss the notification or end the call. And not only that, the watch also keeps vibrating, either you get SMS or call notification. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Battery life I felt was kind of mediocre on this smartwatch. So during my usage now, on a moderate sort of use with the brightness set to around like 70%, and you're doing a bit of physical activities and also testing out your health related stuff and also getting a bit of notifications while being connected to your phone, I was getting around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. Again, if you're like a very light user, you only use it like a basic smartwatch and nothing else, then you can expect around like 7 to 8 days of battery life. Well, that's it. My video on Noise XFit 2 HRX Edition Fitness Tracker offers a decently good display at this price point. It's IP68 water resistant, plenty of sport mode and also health related functions. Only thing I felt is battery life was kind of mediocre, guys. I was actually expecting better battery life on the model. Anyways, let me tell you my opinion on this smartwatch. See, if you're like a beginner, this is your first smartwatch or fitness tracker that you're looking to buy around 2000 rupees, then you can definitely go for it. But in case if you already already have a smartwatch or maybe like a fitness tracker also, then there is nothing new over here, guys. It doesn't make sense getting this smartwatch. Talking about the price, Noise is actually having like a special launch day offer. On the launch day, it will go on sale for only 1999 rupees, and later on the price will change back to its original price of around 2499 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to know everything. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.